Shopkins, Shopkins.
Apple Blossom, prepare to be pranked. Hey, Strawberry Kiss. Hi. What's that noise? Huh. I have no idea. It can't be the floor. Cheeky. Apple Blossom? Huh? Where has she gone? Check you later.
Shopkins, Shopkins. Shopkins!
I can't believe we met the Mr. Bella! Yeah, Cheeky's lost the ability to speak. She was so beautiful and cool and talented. Oh. Woo! I'm letting my shooting star fly! Whoa. We have to tell the Shoppets in Pawville. They love Mr. Bella. Oh, yeah, absolutely. I gotta tell them about this cloud leaf I found. Wait, you mean call them now? I've already got plans.
What are you doing, Rainbow Kate?
It's in my planner. Write a to-do list.
Also, I have a spa appointment.
And I've got a sandcastle to stomp on. That's not very nice, Buncho. Oh, it's my sandcastle. I built it to be stomped.
Okay, we'll meet up later to call the Shoppets.
I've got gymnastics practice later, and I have to film a new vlog.
Well, I'm sure we'll find a time.
Gotta go.
I can't believe we met Mr. Bella. Oh, everyone's gone.
To-do number 1. Write a to-do list. Ooh, I've done that now. Check. Yay. So, we meet again. Number 2. Tell the Shoppets about meeting Mr. Bella. Oh, I can't check that one off yet.
Remember that time in Pawville when we all got makeovers and... oh.
That reminds me of something.
Do you think if a snowman gets hungry, it'll nibble on its nose?
Hi.
I thought you were busy, Rainbow Kate.
Well, so the thing is, the second item on my list was call the Shoppets, and that made me realize, lists can wait. It's important to make time for friends.
Aw, that's lovely. Buncho?
I'm here to call the Shoppets.
To the tech store.
Yay!
Lippy, we thought you were busy. Do you think a spa treatment takes all day? I never get anything done. Also, I miss the Shoppets.
Hey, Pumpkin Cake! I miss you all. We have the most exciting thing to tell you.
Yeah, we met Mr. Bella.
It's because I found this leaf that looks like a cloud. Look! Wow! Are you sure that's a leaf? It's funny you called, actually, because I have something to tell you. You found aliens? It's a super duper looper exciting day today. Some of our good friends are coming to visit. Care to comment, Jessie Cake? I can't wait to show Pumpkin Cake everything Shopville has to offer. They're here! They're here! Hey there, lovelies!
Whoa, Shopville looks lit!
I can't believe you're all here. We've got a grand tour lined up.
Personally, I love tours.
They've arrived! All right, everyone, go wild. Say roar! Roar! Let's go on tour! Well, our first stop is... right here. The Shopville Fountain.
Oh!
There's something magical about this fountain. I can't put my finger on what it is exactly.
It's got a magic vibe.
Ugh. So I like to make a wish, just in case. And this is Shopville Park. One time, everyone threw an amazing birthday party for me here.
I like to come here to be close to nature. I like to chase leaves in the wind.
Hold on. You have a designated area for nature?
Yeah. Why don't you just go into the jungle to chase leaves? Well, we don't have a jungle. I suppose the park is our jungle.
Oh.
We've got an exclusive here, viewers. The Shopettes think parks are weird. What say you, Rainbow Sparkle?
I don't think parks are weird.
And here's where it all started. The heart of Shopville, the Small Mart.
Ooh, get my picture. Miss DeBella is going to lose her head. She loves how quaint the store is.
Quaint? Well, you heard it here first. Miss DeBella loves this store. Cheeky?
Oops, sorry. I could really go for some ramen right now. Are you guys hungry?
Oh, yeah. Do you have a ramen store here? So we don't have a jungle, and we also don't have a ramen restaurant. We still have delicious restaurants. They're just different. That's cool. We came here to see different things.
And eat them. If I were a Rolling Bone reviewer, I'd give that tour 5 stars.
Well, that was the silliest joke I've ever heard, Rainbow Sparkle. But it has been the best day exploring Shopville. It was so fun. I loved filming everything, too. I'm so glad you liked it.
You're a great host, Jessie Cake.
I'd second that.
Huh?
This video is, it's possum.
Really?
Yeah, it feels like a real show.
OMG. What if we did this all the time?
A tour of Shopville?
No. Like, make a show. It doesn't have to always be a tour.
I do like a lot of variety.
That's it! A variety show!
Oh, with a proper set?
Yeah.
And guests?
Yeah!
And a host and everything?
Yeah! Sounds like fun!
It does.
I'm going to be famous.
Great idea. Do you know what we should call it?
I know. Oh, yeah.
Shopkins, Shopkins, Shopkins.
Whoa! Put your hands in the air for Jessie Cake and Apple Blossom!
Hey! Hello! It's our brand new show! SPK Checkout! We've got a great show for you. We'll look at trends, do a fan-kin challenge, throw back to the old days, and have a chat with Posh Pear.
And please welcome our co-hosts for tonight, Lippy Lips and Kooky Cookie! Pleasure to be here.
Today's a celebration. We're celebrating the new show.
And we're celebrating having fun with your BFFs.
I baked a cake.
Wow, that's amazing, Kooky.
Hey, Lippy, what's on trend this week? Oh, organized patterns. You know when you get everything just so, and it feels so satisfying? Stacking items to look like a neat pattern is so calming to watch, and also doubles as tray chic decor.
Well, let's take a look. Thanks, Lippy, and welcome to Trendy Tutorial Time with your host, Summer Peaches. Peaches, you are looking just, peachy. Are you ready to show us the latest in stacking decor magic? Okay, so she started off with a layer of best breakfast eggs from the pantry department. That will provide a really solid base. Surely that's tall enough. Wow, you're really going all out. Nice use of the cold and creamy there. Ice cream. Well done, Summer Peaches. That looks incredible. And here comes Summer Peaches' Shopkins Sweetie La Peach to inspect the stack. Be careful, sweetie. That hasn't been fixed together yet. Sweetie? Sweetie! Well, thanks for joining us for Trendy Tutorial Time. The biggest tip we can leave you with is to secure your stack, particularly around Sweetie La Peach. Catch you next time. Time for an ad break. Get ready for Rockin' Around the Brock, Rock and Brock's long-awaited second album, with such hits as Kill Me, Solid as a Rock, Celery Break, Turn Up the Music, Beat J, and the Fennel Countdown. Get in quick and get a free copy of his debut album, Brock On. This is not a real offer. Don't be a boo-hoo onion. You'll cry if you miss this. In store now.
Delicious. Don't you want some, Lippy?
You sure?
Fine.
Time for Kooky to show us a throwback clip.
Hello.
Where are we going in the rollback this week, Kooky?
Do you remember when Lippy threw a beauty pageant? Actually, you weren't there. I don't think we'd met you yet. I was there, though.
So each show we'll take a trip down memory lane. Comment below with your favorite scene, and you never know, we might feature it next time.
I think we have our winner. The tiara will be presented by last year's Miss Shopville, Cupcake Queen.
Congratulations, Kooky, on winning this year's pageant.
Oh, peas! Thank you, Kooky. Here, you deserve this.
Check you later.
Super excited for our next guest. Give it up for Posh Pear!
Good evening, lovelies. Great job on getting the fruit and veg band together. You're their manager, right? You better believe it. When I see crisp, fresh talent like that, rockin' Brooke, I just knew I had to get them together.
You have such great style, too.
Well, I won't leave the house without my sunglasses and purse. That would be a fashion faux pair. I'm a little jealous. I can't help that I'm appealing. Oh, I shouldn't have, yes.
We're out of time. Thanks for stopping by, Posh Pear.
See you in the small mart, darlings. Thanks to Lippy Lips, Kooky Cookie, Posh Pear, and you for being a part of our very first SPK checkout. Wow! Check you later.
Shopkins, Shopkins.
Greetings and welcome to Shopville. We're in the small mart and this is the Shopkins Leap Off. Ready? Ready. Cheeky chocolate is go. Wow. Beat that, sports fans. You want to go next, Kooky?
No thanks.
Then I guess it's me. Oh, Apple Blossom. The game is on. Are you going to do it, Kooky? Don't forget to get a good run-up. Woohoo! Check you later.
Shopkins, Shopkins.
OMG cheese! Ah! Apple Blossom, are you okay? I'm fine. Wonderful acting. I really believed you were scared. Your turn, Strawberry Kiss. I want you to act as if there are cheese monsters. Me? Lippy Lips, I can't act. Everyone can act. Go on. Well... Oh no, it is cheese. Terrible. Again. Cheese monsters? This is bad. Again. Cheese makes me so scared. No. Oh, I told you I can't act. Much better. Wonderful. I'm not sure she was acting. Strawberry Kiss? Check you later.